everybody, I have really bad news. Well, I'm going to show you. As you can see, my mobile ZD for Samsung is your device isn't blah blah blah. But I have still Mobile Genie but update, and I really hate this old update. So I download this only at YouTube APK, and can you please help me? So in the link description, tell me what best recorder you have, and tell me what recorder you have. I'm using the old Mobile Genie update, and it's really not cool. So I'm going to show you these old Mobile Genie things. So I hate really this update, and it's not cool. So that's why I did an APK Mobile Genie like today right now, not old update, okay? So thank you for watching this.